Hello everyone. Here in this video, as you know that in the title itself, that I'm going to tell you about how to create Google Forms. Okay, so without wasting time, let us just start it. So for creating Google Forms, we need to go on Chrome tab and then type Google Forms like this, and then just click on this option. You can click on any of the options which are in dark color, as you can see on the screen. So I'm clicking on this one, and after clicking on this option, you just have this page, and on this page, click on this blue tab. Okay, so basically गूगल फॉर्म्स हम बनाते किस लिए हैं? हम गूगल फॉर्म्स बनाते हैं फॉर टेकिंग ऑनलाइन सर्वे. And here I am taking an example of question paper. Right, question paper is also a kind of survey where you can collect the information. तो अभी हम इसमें क्वेश्चन पेपर मैंने इसलिए एग्जाम्पल लिया है क्योंकि ना काइंड ऑफ दिस you can use all the features of a Google form, right? बिकॉज इसमें क्या है कि आप एक पिक्चर कैसे अपलोड करनी है वो सारी चीज़ें मैं आपको वन बाय वन एक्सप्लेन कर पाऊँगी. दैट्स वाई आई टुक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ क्वेश्चन पेपर. ओके, सो दिस विल बी द फर्स्ट लेआउट ऑफ योर फॉर्म. And I forgot to tell you one thing, that you need to log in with the ID on which you want to create that form, right? देखो, अगर लैपटॉप में हो या मोबाइल में, आपको उसी आईडी पे ही लॉग इन करके रखना है जिस आईडी पे आप उस फॉर्म को क्रिएट करना चाहते हो. ओके, नाउ हेयर दिस विल बी द लुक. नाउ हाउ आई कैन चेंज द लुक ऑफ दिस फॉर्म. हाउ? You can see this option over here. Just clicking on this option, and I can change the color. I just want it to be a bit greenish shade. Yes, after it, at the top, now it is looking fine. If I want to change the header, right, अभी हम इसमें header भी set कर देते हैं. तो for that also I need to go on the same choose image. Yes, I just click on that, और उसके बाद I have options. I can use any of, you can see that there are so many images in your form itself. but अगर आपको इनमें से कोई यूज़ नहीं करना है, तो जैसे कि मैं I'm just creating a science question paper, तो I can use this image. It seems good. Yes, like this. Yes, it's looking good. Now I am just giving a title to my form. It is a science question paper. So I am just giving it a title that is science for class 6, or I can type in Roman. Yeah, it's like that. It's very simple now. Yeah. Okay, so now I have done with my form with the title and heading. This was just use the header from the form itself. If you want to change it and you want to give some other header, so again you need to go on that image uploaded. You can click on the first one is themes. There are so many themes already there. You can click on upload, browse, and you will get so many options from your device itself. So just click on gallery, then downloads. So I just click on this one because I want this option. Yes, and it is looking perfect because my question paper is of science and technology, so I'm doing this one. It's looking. Now I'm changing font style also. Apply. Yes, now it's all fine with the header. Okay, now I just want to ask the name of student, so I am typing over here that the name of student बिकॉज दिस इज़ द बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट राइट। एक जो उसमें क्वेश्चन होता है तो वो बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट आपको दे देता है। इट इज़ बाय यू कैन सेलेक्ट एनी ऑफ द ऑप्शंस, लाइक अगर आपको कोई फाइल अपलोड करानी है, शॉर्ट आंसर है, पैराग्राफ है, मल्टीपल चॉइस है, तो इट इज़ जस्ट अ शॉर्ट आंसर. So I have selected that one, and you can see that at the bottom there are 2-3 options. First one is for copy, then to delete, and next is for required. If I click on this, that means a person will not move to the next question or next section until he or she fill this option. जब तक कि वो अपना नेम नहीं फिल करेगा, he she cannot move to the next section. And by clicking on these 3 dots, I can remove this duplicate item. I will let you know that why do we use these things. Okay, so we have done with name of student over here. I'm just clicking on the same again, and 3 dots, duplicate item. Why I added duplicate? Because I want it to be class. It should be section, because class we know that it is class 6. So I am writing down the sections, and I am giving few options over here. Options is multiple choice, so it is section A. So I can write in this way also. Yes. 6th B. And you can add like this. There's so many options. Okay, add options पे click करते जाइए, and you will be able to create so many options. Okay, so it is done with required sections. Now I'm creating one more section over here. So to create a section into our form, we need to click on the last option at the bottom bar, where you have seen that this is the to add sections in a form. So this one I'm writing that all questions are compulsory, like something जो भी हमें अपने क्वेश्चन पेपर से रिलेटेड लिखना होता है, तो आई एम राइटिंग लाइक दिस, all questions are compulsory. Okay, yeah. Now this is the section header, and it's word like जैसे आप अपने क्वेश्चन पेपर में लिखते हो ना कुछ भी हेडिंग से पहले. ओके, सो 2/5 या समथिंग कुछ भी मार्क्स आपको देना है, तो वही जस्ट मैं यहाँ पे लिख दे रही हूँ, जस्ट गिविंग यू एग्जाम्पल. 2/5 और what it should be 2/5 is your 10. ओके, तो इस टाइप का जो क्वेश्चन है जिसमें कि मेरे पास हैं 5 questions, 2 marks each. Okay, so for adding questions I am just click on plus sign to add the questions into this. Okay, yes, so we can type questions over here. I am writing down. I am taking a small example. What is melting point? Okay, giving question mark, and this is my descriptive question, so I am selecting paragraph so that my student can explain it. And if you require any image in this, so for that also you can, yes, over here file upload. तो फॉर दैट केस एक स्टूडेंट को अगर कोई फ़ाइल अपलोड करनी है या एनीथिंग, मतलब कुछ इस टाइप का अगर आप अपने स्टूडेंट से चाहते हो, तो दैट यू कैन सेलेक्ट. फाइल अपलोड मीन्स वो कोई बिग इमेज भी अपलोड कर सकते हैं, बट आई वॉन्ट पैराग्राफ, दैट्स ऑल. एंड आई एम जस्ट कॉपी इट, डुप्लीकेट आइटम. वाई? बिकॉज वह बार बार वो भी एक ही क्वेश्चन को हमें करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. हम जस्ट अभी हम क्या करेंगे, क्वेश्चंस को चेंज करते रहेंगे. जस्ट गिविंग एनी एग्जाम्पल. what is photosynthesis? I'm just taking any example. I don't have much knowledge about science, एंड इफ़ आई एम रॉन्ग एनीवेयर प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इन द चैट बॉक्स कि मैम ये क्वेश्चन आपने साइंस का गलत दिया है. तो right, yes, it is photosynthesis. I'm taking this basic questions. Okay, again this is my paragraph kind of question, so I'm clicking on paragraph. In this way I can continue with. Okay, I'm just taking 2 questions over here, not much, because ऐसे तो वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी. The next point is I just want to add section now. Okay, अब मुझे कोई एक यहाँ पर कोई सेक्शन को ऐड करना है, तो क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस बटन टू ऐड अ न्यू सेक्शन ओवर हियर. यू कैन रिप्लेस द क्वेश्चंस लाइक दिस. ओके, आपको अगर किसी क्वेश्चन का पोजीशन चेंज करना है तो जस्ट टैप ऑन दैट क्वेश्चन एंड ड्रैग इट फ्रॉम देयर. ओके, and replace the position also in this way. That's I have done. Right, okay, now yes, like this. So in this section just clicking on plus and I will get the option for writing my question. So for writing my question I just type my question over here. What is the boiling point of water, and I want to add an image with this also. Okay, and upload, browse, clicking on file, going down for gallery, and then download, clicking on water. I just want to give my students just an option to giving them hint. तो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग एन एग्जाम्पल. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि कंपल्सरी है कि ऐसा कोई आपको इमेज ऐड करना है. तो जस्ट आई एम टेलिंग यू हाउ टू ऐड इमेज. ओके, तो इन दिस वे आई कैन ऐड इमेज इन माई क्वेश्चन. नाउ आई एम गिविंग ऑप्शंस 100 degree, 0 degree, but the your 45 degree and 50 degree. Okay, this is done now. It's done, and now you can duplicate it also. I just let you know that you can do some settings for MCQ test, not for the subjective one, because it's a subjective test where the paragraph answers also applied. So here you cannot do anything, but if it is totally objective or one word, then you can do some settings like आपके जो आंसर्स हैं वो आप प्री डिफाइन कर सकते हो, एंड उसके आपके प्री सेटिंग के बाद आपको ईजी होता है चेक करना. दैट आई विल लेट यू नो इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू नो इट प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इन द चैट बॉक्स दैट हाउ टू क्रिएट अ फॉर्म which allows to preset the answers. Okay, so in this way you can create MCQ questions and you can add image in your form. It is done. Okay, तो नाउ I'm just giving an suggestion. That is not like कि ये कंप्लीट हो चुका है. आप और भी सेटिंग्स कर सकते हो. जस्ट एन एग्जांपल ऑफ क्वेश्चन पेपर. तो आपको कुछ और भी सेटिंग्स करनी होंगी, मैक्सिमम मार्क्स लिखना है, कुछ भी करना है, तो वो सारी चीज़ें आप इधर कर सकते हो. आप यहाँ पे फॉर्म डिस्क्रिप्शन में आप यहाँ लिख सकते हो टाइम आपका कितना भी है, 1 hour है या वॉट एवर इट इज़, स्पेस, and then your maximum marks, whatever it is, let us suppose it is 20 marks, whatever. I'm just giving an example. It is not perfect one, right? ये कोई perfect question paper मैंने नहीं बनाया है, but just taking example. Now I'm just closing it, right? मैंने just इसको close कर दिया and I can see my form on my Google Drive now. Let us just check it in our drive. So I'm just clicking on my Google Drive, and as you can see that my form is over here. I'm just clicking on this to check it out whether my form is ready. Yes, now you all can see that my form is ready that I opened from my drive, right? Okay, so now I'm want to tell you that how to share the link of your form, right? That also important because अगर आपका फॉर्म बन चुका है, जब आप उसको शेयर भी करोगे ना, तो वो भी तो ज़रूरी है. तो फॉर दैट यू जस्ट क्लिक दिस ऑप्शन, clicking on link, shorten link, copy, and now this copy you can paste anywhere, on mail, on WhatsApp, on general messages, anywhere you can send it. So I'm sending it on WhatsApp. So I'm typing pasting link over here with the message science question paper. Anything you can, it's up to you. That's, you can see that I have mentioned few of the exam links there also in the same way. So if the person get this kind of message, he or she can clicking on this link and will see like this only. He or she have to fill this form completely. Let us suppose I just fill this form. My name is, I'm taking PQRS, okay, just an example. 6A, next. I'll just get the question paper. Okay friends, this was all about the Google Forms, and I will try to make a separate video for MCQ and reset the answer so that it just autocorrect. For autocorrection, I will let you know how to create a quiz and so many other features also. Thank you so much to watch this video till the end.